Okay, now here we need to find the value of x, right? Like I always tell, you need to mark what are the information. First of all, what are the information you can mark, right? First of all, with this information, some other thing you can mark. So try to mark those first of all. Now here they tell now AOB is the diameter. Now this diameter AOB, this line is the diameter. From this diameter, if you check, right, subtended angle at circumference. That means now this is the diameter, end of the diameter from here and here. It's go like this way, and at circumference make this angle. See this angle, right? From the end of the this diameter, it's go like this way, and here make angle. Now this should be 90. We have learned semicircle angle. That's the reason from the diameter subtended angle at circumference it's 90. Okay, and not only that, you can see here they mark now these two line, this arrowhead, that means these two line parallel, that means AOB and DC parallel. That means this angle and this angle must be equal, because we have learned this like alternate angle, this angle and this angle must be equal. This is an alternate angle. If you have two parallel line like this way, this two angle must be equal. Alternate angle normally we call Z. So here 30, then here also must be 30. Okay, now we can get easily answer what the 30, 90 and this one must be 180, because angle of interior angle of a triangle. So you can write here 30 plus 90 plus angle B. Okay, I will write this way, angle B equal 180, right? Then here will be 120 plus angle B equal 180. Now 120 when I bring to this side, it will be, what the answer, angle B will be equal to sorry, here 120, no, 120, it will be 60. That means this angle must be 60. You can do it in mind even. Now another one, what the cyclic quadrilateral. We have learned this in a circle. In a circle, when you have four side thing, that means quadrilateral, these opposite angle, this plus this must be 180, right? Very carefully think these vertices of this quadrilateral must be on the circumference, otherwise it will not work. Now that's why you can think this one plus this one. Now if you consider A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, this is a cyclic quadrilateral. This all four corners, four vertices on the circumference. So that's why you can think ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So that's why we can write what the 60 plus x must be equal to 180. So then you can get easily answer for the x from 180 subtract x 60, it will be 120. Like that you can get the value of x. There are some other method also here to find the x, but this is the method come to my mind. I did it that way. Yeah, that's the idea here. You have to get x like this.